A couple months ago, meme coins were all the hype in the crypto space. We saw Pepe reach over $1 billion in market cap, and many of the projects we talked about on the channel yielded 20, 50, and even 100x returns. But now the market has shifted slightly over the last few weeks, and we've seen people go more into Bitcoin as Bitcoin dominance has reached yearly highs. But this is just a temporary market cycle. We always see these cycles where people put more money into Bitcoin, they're being a little bit more conservative, and then all of a sudden it switches very quickly into altcoins, and we see massive rallies in altcoins and meme coins. So right now I've been taking advantage of these lower prices with altcoins and with meme coins, adding a lot to my portfolio, and I want to go over some that I have added recently to take advantage of this next market wave that we are going to see. Is it going to be this month, next month? We don't know, but we are going to definitely see that shift happen back into altcoins. So I want to talk about MMVG. It is a token that recently listed on MEXC. The name is actually Memevengers, and after Memevengers listed on MEXC on May 30th, 2023, it rose over 28,000% in just 6 hours. It's come down slightly since then, but it has gotten major attention all across social media, where it has over 285,000 followers on Twitter. They get great engagement on all their posts. They have over 47,000 members in their Twitter, and they have a very, very strong community, which is why I believe they were able to rally so much after being listed on MEXC, which is just one exchange. Imagine if they were listed on more. So that is why I took advantage of this. I did buy some on MEXC, but the reason why I wanted to get part of this meme coin now is a few main reasons. First of all is what they are trying to do, their whole entire mission, why they were created in the first place. And that is that Memevengers, MMVG, is the first group-style meme universe coin that brings together popular meme coins. It's similar to the Avengers movie. It has no relation or connection to Avengers. They're just using, the idea of memes and cryptocurrencies and using the idea of Avengers and like that whole entire universe. But they said, similar to the Avengers movie, it gained attention for its storytelling approach of creating a universe by assembling a heroic legion of 7 popular meme coins that make their mark in the crypto space. If you look at their website, you can see all about this, where it talks about Dogecoin being like the Iron Man, Love Snoopy being like the Captain America, Pepe being like the Hulk, Baby Dogecoin being like Thor, Spider-Man, which is like Floki in the crypto space. They say Shiba Inu, which is like Doctor Strange, and Black Widow, which is ladies in the crypto space. So like I said, I looked on their website. It says they have no direct connection. It's unrelated to Avengers or Marvel. They're simply a token of their collective appreciation for Avengers and memes, and they wanted to make a community behind that. So this is something that is pretty cool, and they have a lot of major plans in the future with their NFT launch, and we'll go over that later. But that was the main reason why, is that they're trying to be that first ever token in the crypto space that is a group style meme universe that tries to unite every meme coin that has been very successful in crypto. So I liked that idea, and I seen it already produce massive attention, garner a lot of support, and people have been pretty excited about it. Not only this, but one of the main reasons why I did just buy this token is because of major announcements coming up in July. So in July, they have a few major announcements that they talk about on their website, they talk about on Twitter, and they've talked about on all their social media platforms. What they said is that coming in July, there's going to be 5 major centralized exchange listings for this token. They said July 18th, July 21st, July 24th, July 27th, and July 30th. They're going to have 5 major listings in the month of July, which they talk about on Twitter and they talk about in their website on their roadmap. And this is going to yield for huge potential gains, in my opinion, because if you saw what happened after what happened with their MEXC launch, they rose 28,000%. Now imagine if they had 5 exchange listings rather than just 1. I don't know if it's going to rise that much again because it was from a very, very low market cap, but it does have the potential of being the next Pepe, the next Dogecoin, gaining that huge attention in the crypto space, leading to 20, 30, 40x gains very, very possibly in the next month. So I wanted to go over that because of in their phase 2 on their roadmap, they talk about these 5 major listings, and that is something that is going to be very exciting in my opinion. Next thing I want to go over is going to be with their roadmap. So we talked briefly about these 5 exchange listings in phase 2, but right now they all also have 3 main phases: phase 1, 2, and 3. In phase 1, it was when they first launched back in May, end of May. They had the token issuance, listing on Uniswap, listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, getting their all their audits and certificates in place, and reaching 1,000 holders. Then was phase 2, where they started to list, which we did see listing on MEXC. They're going to get to 10,000 holders, advertising Memevengers in Times Square. And then phase 3 is tier 1 centralized exchanges, 100,000 holders, and doing more and more things for the community, like their NFT drop, which will be coming soon. The cool thing about this project, in addition to having their massive attention gained in the crypto space for meme coins, in addition to their exchange listings, is going to be with their NFTs. In the future, they're talking about NFT membership coming very soon. They talk about this on their Twitter page, where they said the NFT membership is coming to MMVG. Stay tuned for updates on Twitter. And there's 5 benefits for being an MMVG NFT holder. They talk about this on Twitter, where they say exclusive Discord access, governance rights, privilege to own sandbox land, join sandbox operations, earn profits, and 5 is priority in airdrops and access, so whitelist access. They talk about this on Twitter, and they talk about this on their website as well. You can see that information right here. But either way, this is a project that has gained huge attention in the crypto space already. We have seen them gain hundreds of thousands of followers on social media, and they have major listings coming up. Last thing I want to go over is just with tokenomics, because this is very important, and a lot of people are curious about this. Something that I actually really like about the project as well. So with their tokenomics, 90% of the tokens of the supply is locked in a liquidity pool. You can see this, all the information on the Ethereum blockchain. It's all on Etherscan. If you want to track it, you want to look at all the information. But you can see that 90% of the liquidity pool is locked, and 10% is going to for like centralized exchange listings. So this is something where you don't have to worry about all these scams in the crypto space that have happened. You don't have to worry about that, because 90% of the supply is locked for 15 months. So we'll see what happens there, but there's a lot of exciting things going on with this project. I did buy into it. I didn't put my whole life savings into it. I put a good amount in, and I'm expecting big things in July.